5,000 kilograms. That is how much onion goes through this factory line every single day, just to become one thing: perfectly golden fried onions that stay crispy, aromatic, and ready to top everything from noodles to rice bowls. Welcome back to Factory Flow. Today we are going inside a fried onion mass production factory to see the full process: peeling, slicing, frying, de-oiling, cooling, and packaging at industrial scale. It starts with raw onions arriving in bulk. The first job is sorting. Workers and machines remove damaged bulbs, separate by size, and feed clean onions onto the line. Because in a factory like this, uniform onions mean uniform slices, and uniform slices mean consistent frying. Now comes the most satisfying part to watch: onion peeling. The onions move through a mechanical peeling system that removes the outer skin fast. Air jets, rollers, and cutting edges work together to strip the papery layers while keeping the onion flesh intact. Any remaining peel is picked off in a quick inspection step, because even a small amount of skin can burn in the fryer and ruin flavor. With the onions clean, the line moves into slicing. Industrial slicers cut onions into precise rings or thin strips, depending on the final product. Thickness is everything here. Too thick, and the center stays soft. Too thin, and it overcooks before the batch is done. So the machine locks the cut size like a recipe. Next is rinsing and draining. This step removes surface sugars and loose onion juice that could cause uneven browning. Then the onions are spread and dewatered, so they enter the fryer with controlled moisture. Less water means less splatter, more stable oil, and crispier results. Now we reach the core: mass frying. The onion slices drop into a continuous fryer, where time and temperature are tightly controlled. Oil heat, conveyor speed, and load size are balanced so every slice browns evenly. This is where the transformation happens. Raw, sharp onion aroma turns into that deep, sweet, roasted fragrance that makes fried onions addictive. The moment the onions leave the fryer, the factory has one enemy: excess oil, so the line moves into de-oiling, often using vibrating screens, centrifuge style spinners, or airflow systems that shake and pull oil away, while protecting the delicate crisp texture. This step is a big reason factory fried onions can stay crunchy longer. After de-oiling, the onions cool down fast. Cooling is not just for handling. Cooling stabilizes crispness and prevents carryover cooking that would push them from golden to bitter. Air tunnels and spread out conveyors help the product draw the right temperature before packaging. Now comes quality control. The factory checks color, moisture, and texture. Too dark means bitter. Too light means no flavor. Too much moisture means soggy later. Some lines also use metal detection and visual inspection before anything gets sealed. Finally, packaging. The fried onions flow into weighing machines that dose exact amounts into bags or containers. The packaging is sealed to block moisture and oxygen, then labeled and boxed for shipment. Because, with fried onions, one thing matters most: staying crisp from the factory to your plate. And that is how 5,000 kilograms of onions become a mountain of crispy fried onion. Through high speed peeling, precision slicing, controlled frying, aggressive de-oiling, rapid cooling, and airtight packaging. Now tell me in the comments, would you use these more on noodles, rice, salads, or burgers? If you enjoyed this factory tour on Factory Flow, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what process you want next.
Based on the video you sent and the accompanying descriptive text, I noticed a slight difference between the content in the actual video and the script you provided.